10 best DeWalt tools on Amazon that will blow your mind 2025. DeWalt has long been synonymous with durability and innovation in the power tools world, and in 2025 their lineup on Amazon continues to impress with tools designed to maximize efficiency and precision. Whether you're a professional contractor or a passionate dyer, these 10 DeWalt tools combine cutting-edge technology with rugged build quality, making tough jobs feel effortless and boosting your productivity to a whole new level. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill/Driver Kit. The DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill/Driver Kit is a powerhouse packed into a compact, ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand while delivering serious torque. Featuring a brushless motor, this drill not only runs cooler, but lasts longer and provides up to 57% more runtime compared to brushed motors. Its variable speed trigger allows precise control whether you're drilling pilot holes or driving large screws, while the 2-speed transmission optimizes speed and power for any task. The kit includes 2 long-lasting batteries and a fast charger, so downtime is minimal. Its durable build handles rough job site conditions, making it a reliable go-to for professionals and hobbyists alike. DeWalt 12-inch double-level sliding compound miter saw. For precision cutting and versatility, the DeWalt 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound miter saw stands out as a top choice for woodworkers and builders. Its sliding arm allows cutting wider boards, while the double bevel capability lets you tilt the saw both left and right, saving time on repositioning workpieces. The powerful motor delivers smooth, clean cuts through hardwoods, framing lumber, and molding, all while minimizing vibration. A bright LED shadow line and adjustable fence enhance cutting accuracy, even on complex angle cuts. The saw is built for durability, with a robust base and ergonomic handles that reduce fatigue during extended use. Safety features like blade guards and an electric brake ensure safer operation without compromising efficiency. DeWalt 20V Max XR Brushless Impact Driver. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Brushless Impact Driver is engineered for fast fastening and heavy-duty performance in tight spaces. The brushless motor maximizes runtime and extends tool life, while delivering a whopping 1,825 inch-pounds of torque, perfect for driving long screws and lag bolts with ease. Its compact size and lightweight design allow you to work comfortably in cramped or overhead situations. The variable speed trigger lets you modulate power smoothly, avoiding stripped screws or damaged materials. This driver includes a quick-release chuck for fast bit changes, speeding up workflow on job sites. Equipped with an LED work light, it brightens your workspace where it matters most. DeWalt 7-1/4-inch Circular Saw. The DeWalt 7-1/4-inch Circular Saw blends precision cutting power with portability, making it indispensable for framing, roofing, and general carpentry. It features a powerful motor that slices through lumber with minimal effort and smooth results, even under heavy workloads. The ergonomic handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Depth and bevel adjustments are easy to set and lock, allowing you to tailor cuts precisely for your project. Its durable construction and dust blower keep the blade clear for optimal visibility and accuracy. The saw also offers compatibility with a variety of blades, so you can adapt to cutting different materials from plywood to metal. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Reciprocating Saw. When demolition or rough cutting is on the agenda, the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Reciprocating Saw delivers the power and control you need. This tool features a brushless motor for longer runtime and increased efficiency, capable of cutting through wood, metal, and PVC with ease. Its variable speed trigger and adjustable shoe allow you to customize the cut depth and speed for cleaner, more precise results. The compact, balanced design reduces user fatigue, especially during overhead or awkward angle cuts. Tool-free blade changes speed up transitions between tasks, while the bright LED work light ensures visibility in dim or confined spaces. DeWalt 20V Max LED Work Light. The DeWalt 20V Max LED Work Light is more than just a bright light. It's a durable, versatile illumination solution that adapts to any job site. With a powerful 500 lumen output, it lights up large areas while running on the 20V Max battery system, offering cordless convenience and hours of runtime. The adjustable head swivels to direct light exactly where you need it, while the tripod mount option enhances stability. Its weather-resistant housing is designed to withstand drops, dust, and moisture, ensuring consistent performance outdoors or in harsh conditions. The compact design makes it easy to transport, and the quick-release battery mechanism keeps downtime minimal. DeWalt Atomic Compact Drill/Driver Kit. DeWalt's Atomic Compact Drill/Driver Kit is engineered to combine power with portability, perfect for users who want a lightweight yet capable tool. Powered by a brushless motor, this compact drill provides enough torque and speed for most home improvement and light professional tasks, without the bulk of larger models. Its compact size allows it to fit into tight spaces and makes it easy to carry around all day without strain. The kit comes with two 20 VMAX batteries and a fast charger to keep you working longer without interruption. Its ergonomic handle improves grip and comfort, while the integrated LED light enhances visibility in dim conditions. DeWalt 20 VMAX XR Brushless Angle Grinder. The DeWalt 20 VMAX XR Brushless Angle Grinder is a powerhouse designed for cutting, grinding, and polishing with professional-grade efficiency. Its brushless motor delivers longer runtime and extended motor life, while maintaining high torque for demanding metal and masonry work. The grinder features a compact, lightweight design with an ergonomic side handle that reduces user fatigue during extended use. Variable speed control lets you dial in the perfect RPM for each application, enhancing precision and finish quality. Quick change wheels and an easy-to-use guard improve workflow and safety. Its rugged build stands up to tough environments, making it a dependable tool for fabrication, construction, and maintenance professionals who demand power and durability. DeWalt 20 VMAX XR Cordless Jigsaw. Versatility and precision come together in the DeWalt 20 VMAX XR Cordless Jigsaw, a must-have for intricate cuts and curves. Its brushless motor provides smooth, powerful cutting through wood, metal, and plastics, while the variable speed trigger gives you total control over cutting speed. The tool-free blade change system saves time and effort, allowing quick swapping of blades to match your material and task. An adjustable shoe helps control bevel cuts up to 45 degrees, and a built-in LED light illuminates your cutting line for accuracy. Lightweight yet robust, it reduces user fatigue during extended projects. Whether crafting detailed trim or rough cutting lumber, this jigsaw offers a winning combination of flexibility, power, and comfort. DeWalt 20 VMAX Cordless Brad Nailer. Finishing work demands precision, and the DeWalt 20 VMAX Cordless Brad Nailer delivers a cordless, efficient solution that eliminates the hassle of air compressors or hoses. This tool drives 18-gauge brads with consistent force, making it ideal for cabinetry, trim, and delicate woodworking projects. Its brushless motor provides excellent runtime and power, while the magazine holds up to 100 nails for less frequent reloads. The lightweight, compact design enhances maneuverability, allowing you to reach tight spaces with ease. Tool-free depth adjustment lets you control nail depth for flawless finishes, and the LED light ensures visibility in dim work areas. Cordless freedom combined with reliable performance makes this Brad Nailer a game-changer for professionals and tailleurs alike. If you're impressed by any of these DeWalt tools or want to share your experience, hit like and comment below to join the conversation. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss updates on the best tools and gear that can truly elevate your work. Thanks for watching and stay powered up.